Hello, my good people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hope everyone is fine. Me, I'm not fine. As you can see, my mouth has grown somewhere at my side here. As you can see, I'm chewing something. This one, you see, I'm chewing something here to help my gums to retain well. Oh, I have my young sister here. How is you, my young sister?
I'm good.
How is everything? Have
Good.
you cooked?
Yes.
What?
Rice and waru.
Well, where is it? I'm
They
very
haven't
hungry. I
eaten
want to
yet.
eat.
How you eat what?
I want to eat, but I'm very hungry. I don't know how if I can eat because of my situation now. So, guys, here is my home. As you can see, here is my home. Bring that rice here. I want to eat. I want to take it outside here. Go and take it. I want to eat. I'm very hungry. What are you doing? Even you have a phone.
Now.
Yeah, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Oh, so guys, we are just heading to our small kitchen here. Hey, my sister has prepared a good meal, as you can see. Wow, what a wonderful. See, guys, and we have rice. Rice is here. It is here. You see, very nice one. You see. Hey, but you have a wonderful. What is this? We call it what?
Waru.
We call it waru. Waru. I don't know waru, whatever. You see, guys. So
Husband
you want
has
to.
put carrot there and has not put.
What can you put for me that this one so that I can take? I'm very hungry. Let me sit here so that I can take that one. Let's speak in English. Your mom is a joke. How can you call your mom is a joke? And you take only one. Just move it. Just as I want to taste if I can eat because of my situation here. I don't think if I can take much food. Oh, I want to taste. So guys, I'm here because my situation is not somehow good. I have a problem here at my gums. So let me test. Let me test. I'm testing. Now guys, you see, life is not a matter of chewing. It's a matter of putting it into mouth and direct to the stomach. You see? You see guys? So I'm just trying because this morning I've not even taken any food, even breakfast. It's this lunchtime I'm taking now. So I'm trying. Because it's not even allowed me to open my mouth to be that of normal. I'm just trying. You see, even I'm not chewing. Let me try this one. They say to waru. Let me try. Hmm. Now guys, I was taking this one. This one, I was just swallowing it, helping my gums to reduce. It has grown something big in my mouth. So I was just, it has helped me. It has helped me. My gums are reduced. So for now I may say I'm good because I'm taking food. This morning I will not even take food. So this is my lunch. I may say lunch.